Alright, you guys, so we are here in the West Hall. We're just kind of walking around, checking things out. Lots of different exhibitors here with a lot of different products here. So we're going to walk around, we're going to see what there is. It's pretty cool. That is
If I were doing oil in that training, yeah, that training is 40. So it's the same thing. Yeah, look at that. Now it's
Alright, you guys, so mainly what's in the West Hall here is going to be your off-road stuff, trucks, as well as detailing and window tinting, and a lot of other stuff like that.